Hey guys, so let's start difference between neural and non-neural vaccine. Okay, if they ask you this question, this differentiation between neural and non-neural vaccine, you will write the answer in this pattern. You will make three box features neural vaccine and for non-neural vaccine. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so feature first one is another name. Okay, so neural vaccine, another name of neural vaccine is nerve tissue vaccine. Okay, and for non-neural vaccine, another name of non-neural vaccine is cell culture and embryonated egg-based vaccine. What is the meaning of cell culture? What is the meaning of egg-based embryonated egg-based vaccine? What is the meaning of nerve tissue vaccine? You will all get to know, when we will study more. So let's study the meaning. Okay, next point is meaning after another name made. Okay, so neural tissue, this is what neural vaccine. Okay, so neural vaccine made from nerve tissue. Okay, it is made, it is created, it is produced from nerve tissue of other animal like mouse, like sheep. Okay, from other animals nerve tissue we will make neural vaccine for us, for human. Non-neural vaccine means made. Neural vaccine means here I will not we will not use nerve tissue from other animal, we will use eggs. Okay, or cell. So made in specific pathogen free eggs. Okay, so specific pathogen free, this term is used when we use some product for laboratory purpose. When you use some product of animal product, like here we are using egg and we are using also human diploid cell. So we are using this on laboratory purpose, right? So laboratory purpose, if we have to use this egg and diploid cell in laboratory, then we have to make it totally microorganism free, totally pathogen free. So we call pathogen, specific pathogen free, this term we use when we use something in laboratory. Okay, so here we are making vaccine, so for making vaccine we have to make it pathogen free. So made in specific pathogen free eggs, we can use eggs of animals like eggs of bird, like chicken egg, duck egg. Okay, we can use eggs, or we can use some vaccine made by growing on human diploid cell. Some vaccine first made and then make them grow on human diploid cell. I will tell you what is this. Next one is definition. What is the definition of neural vaccine? Vaccine made from nerve tissue containing myelin basic protein is called neural vaccine. Okay, so vaccine made from nerve tissue. Nerve tissue means neurons. Okay, nerve tissue means neurons, and we all know that neuron is protected by a cover called myelin. So yeah, from the protective cover we take myelin basic protein and we made this vaccine, neural vaccine. So yeah, this is called neural vaccine. I hope it's clear. It is made from nerve tissue, and specifically if we called specifically if we study what kind of nerve tissue, myelin basic protein means tissue collected from the protective covering of neuron is called neural vaccine. Okay, I hope it's clear. If it's not, then let me know. And the definition of non-neural vaccine, here we are using nerve cell, here you are using eggs, specific pathogen free eggs. So vaccine made in specific pathogen free eggs is called non-neural vaccine. Okay, so now let's move to the example of non-neural vaccine, example of example of neural vaccine, example of non-neural vaccine. So simple vaccine made from sheep's brain. If you don't know sheep, then go search it on Google, you will find out. Okay, so from sheep's brain we made this vaccine. Infant mouse brain vaccine. Infant means baby mouse. Okay, just born. So vaccine made from suckling mouse brain. Suckling means the mouse which is still baby and drink milk from mother. Okay, this is called suckling, drink milk from mother. And baby mouse is called suckling mouse. So baby mouse brain, from baby mouse brain we make this vaccine. That's why it's called infant mouse brain vaccine. Next one is Pasteur's cod vaccine. By Louis Pasteur, it is made, invented and made from drying pieces of infected rabbit spinal cord. It is made from rabbit spinal cord. Okay, yeah. Now let's move to the non-neural vaccine. Example of non-neural vaccine. Duck egg vaccine. Duck, I hope you all know duck. Okay, if you don't know, then just search it on Google. Duck egg vaccine prepared from fixed virus. Fixed virus means here the incubation period of the virus is stopped. Okay, in the laboratory. Incubation period means the time a virus or any bacteria or any microorganism take to infect human being. Okay, I will tell you. A virus is entering into our body. Okay, after entering into our body, that virus takes some time to infect us. Okay, and after getting infected, we show sign and symptoms. So that period is called incubation period, and that period is, here the incubation is stopped because of for this virus. So the incubation period is stopped, and this is called fixed virus. The term is fixed virus. Okay, so the virus which incubation period is stopped is called fixed virus. So this fixed virus, grow in pathogen free duck egg, and by this we make the non-neural vaccine. Now